A fresh face! Welcome. I'm Dr. Pixel, Chief Caretaker of the Forever Pets Refuge, and this little guy is Kubo, my mostly helpful assistant. Say hello, Kubo. We just had 8 adorable crestling birds hatch this morning. Tiny, fluffy, and full of personality. Want to meet them?
Absolutely, man.
Kubo, bring the incubator. Let's show off our baby birds. Here they are, all 8 crestlings. Press a name to get a sneak peek of any bird. Take your time. Time to meet a new friend. Pick your favorite bird and gently put your hand on the nest in order to hatch. It's a big moment. Place your hands on the nest to start hatching. Touch the nest gently. Your bird is waiting. That's it. Keep going. You're almost there. This is your baby bird. It is a bit shy. Try touching it very gently with one of your hands. Whoops! Poor thing's trembling. You need to build trust first. Let's get your bird some tasty snacks.
That sounds amazing.
Kubo, can you open the gallery for our guest? Okay, now get some corn seeds. Place 2 corn seeds near your baby bird, close to the glowing spots. Slow and steady wins trust. Progress! I think it's ready to eat straight from your hand. Hold the food steady in the spot shown by the hologram. Left or right hand, your call.
You want it? Come on. Oh, look at you.
Now, let's see if your bird trusts you enough to perch. Hold out a pointing finger like the hologram shows.
Oh.
Now for the final test. Love. See if your bird will accept your gentle touch. Go on, give it a soft caress. You've done wonderfully. It's clear this little crestling is starting to trust you. We'd be happy to give it to you as your very first forever pet. Raising a pet is not always easy, but it's deeply rewarding. Are you ready to begin the journey?
Yes.
Congratulations, you're officially a pet parent. Unlike
By the way,
humans,
guys,
birds
yeah,
grow
it's
incredibly
made
fast,
scratch.
reaching adult size in just 4 weeks. Every day of care counts. Don't miss a moment of it. I have to go now, but don't worry. I'll leave you in good wings. Kubo, could you float on over and say hello again? You'll see Kubo giving you little reminders about daily care. Press the yellow button on his front to open the holo screen.
Whoa.
Each day, Kubo will suggest daily tasks for you to take care of each of your pets. When you complete the tasks, your pets will reward you. Want to track your pet's need for food, love, or fun? Glance at your watch. If your little one gets too hungry or needs attention, it might not feel like playing. This place is your home now. Enjoy your new companion. After 1 week, it'll be a youngling, and I'll be back to celebrate.
Come here. Go on ahead. No bird?
Hi again, back so soon. What you just saw was a song of thanks. Your bird is grateful. Every day, your bird will reward you for completing daily care. Use your rewards in the gallery.
Okay. That makes
And today,
sense.
completing daily care also earns you 2 new games for daily growth. Watch them appear on the holo screen. There. The new games are waiting in the gallery whenever you're ready. I
Okay.
also left a paper aeroplane on the game table. Give it a throw when you want to play. I also left a little snack in the food tray. I hope your bird loves it. One more thing before I go. I've opened the adoption station behind me. More pets are waiting there to meet you, including some very sweet cats. Open the minimap on your Pet Watch when you're ready. I've highlighted the adoption station so it's easy to find. I'll leave you and your little one to enjoy this day. Goodbye for now.
Aw. Aw. Okay, so I guess me and you gotta go play the. Oh, they all cost money. So guys, we might come back and get this, but I'm not gonna buy it right now, especially not while we're on my video. So what we will do instead is play the. You. You sir are a little boy. Can I grab you? Yeah, here. You can just go underneath there. Something like that. Learn together. It's gone. There's like a birdie. Good birdie. Good job. Good job, little birdie. Good job. Alright, let's try the other game. Not bad. Not a bad job, Kiko.